Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, today we are going to discuss the trials and tribulations associated with Al Masih ad Dajjal. In this first episode, we will begin with an important point: the various names given to Al Masih ad Dajjal. The first name, Al Masih ad Dajjal, is derived from a hadith recorded by Imam Muslim in his Sahih, where the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ advised, seek refuge with Allah from the trials of Al-Masih ad-Dajjal. This name, Masih ad-Dajjal, reminds us of the great deception he will bring and the need to ask Allah's protection against it. The second name given to him is Masih ad-Dalala, the deceiver. This title is referenced in another hadith narrated by Imam Ibn Hibban, also on the authority of Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, where the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam describes him as emerging from the east during a time of great disunity among people. This is particularly significant in our times, as we witness divisions and discord among us. The third name is Al-Awar ad-Dajjal, meaning the one-eyed deceiver. The Prophet ﷺ describes him as having only one functional eye, with the other eye being impaired, as narrated by Ibn Hibban. This physical description signifies the deceptive nature of ad-Dajjal and warns us to remain vigilant. The Prophet ﷺ indicated that Al-Awar ad-Dajjal would emerge at a time when people are divided, a reflection of the challenges we face today. Lastly, he is also known as Al-Awar al-Kadhab, or the one-eyed liar. This title is found in Sahih collections of both Bukhari and Muslim, where it is reported that every Prophet ﷺ warned their people of this great deceiver. As a side note, Ibn Abd al-Barr classified in his work at Tamheed that some people mistakenly refer to him as Al-Masih with a kha, but scholars have deemed this incorrect. These four names reflect the magnitude of his trials and remind us to seek refuge in Allah from his deception. Insha'Allah, may we be protected from his fitna. And if I have conveyed anything incorrectly, it's from my own errors or from Satan. And Allah and his Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam are free from it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this reminder. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our regular reminders.